Greetings and welcome back to Cardano Coin, where you can find the most latest and fascinating ADA news. You can enter to win 1000 ADA by watching the entire video, upvoting, subscribing, and leaving a comment that says Cardano is king. The winners will be chosen the following month and announced on the channel's community page. Check out the description to learn how to win a Nano Ledger S before we get started. Every time there has been a bear market, history has shown it has been the ideal time to buy, and over the past 5 years, the price of Cardano tokens has increased by more than 6,000%. It also advanced from an obscure cryptocurrency nicknamed as Ethereum Killer to one of the top 10 largest cryptocurrencies by market valuation. Cardano has enabled innumerable people to rise in society by increasing their wealth. Let's investigate how you might continue to make money using Cardano now. Always make sure to watch all the way through to make sure you don't miss any of this incredible information. The previous 10 years have seen cryptocurrency as the most successful investment category. The internet is already flooded with testimonials from people and businesses about how it has paved their way to success. The cryptocurrency industry, nevertheless, is still making progress after a recent market downturn. Only a select handful seem to be performing admirably in these difficult conditions right now. Therefore, a wise cryptocurrency investment could produce a passive income that enhances the existing financial stability of these currencies. Consider Cardano ADA to be cryptocurrency 2.0 while believing that one of the cryptocurrencies has a 10-fold upside potential. Although it is essentially digital gold, the system was beset by scale issues. Ethereum is frequently called Crypto 2.0. Crypto 3.0 is Cardano, which was released in 2017. Adding skills that Ethereum didn't have at first, Charles Hoskinson, who was a co-founder of Ethereum, introduced Cardano as a more scalable, interoperable, and sustainable blockchain with the goal of outperforming both Bitcoin and Ethereum. One of the most common criticisms of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies is that their proof-of-work consensus-based blockchain networks waste a lot of energy. Due to its proof-of-stake consensus, Cardano is a more resilient and scalable blockchain. Cardano has shown to be one of the most environmentally friendly blockchain technologies. Hoskinson asserted in an interview that Cardano uses 1.6 million times less energy than Bitcoin. Additionally, compared to Bitcoin Ethereum, Cardano can do more than 250 transactions per second. Therefore, now would be a good time to lock in your Cardano ADA investments. It is also safe to say that Cardano's 10-fold upside potential is real, not just a bluff. Because cryptocurrency prices might change often, not all investors may want to invest in them. However, individuals can choose to enter the world of digital assets, where Cardano and his ADA cryptocurrency are rising to prominence. Cryptocurrency assets have grown to be one of the most alluring options for investors in part because of Cardano, which has been able to generate a lot of interest. Just how little most investors know about how it operates is extremely depressing. Making hasty decisions led to this collision. Cardano has spent years developing as it sought to address Ethereum-like challenges with latency, throughput, security, and decentralization. Sticking to the network, delegating, and transferring ADA for various use cases inside the Cardano ecosystem are the main use cases of Cardano ADA. Cardano is connected to a NASA network, which has more of a research project in development than it has a real-world utility that can be compared to Ethereum. This is both a strength and a weakness. O'Donnell's multi-year development phase allowed Ethereum, the first product on the market, to increase its market share and at least a half-dozen more initiatives to be introduced and taken up. I recognize that without users, papers and high throughput are useless. Cardano's sluggish development in this area puts him at risk of entering the market too late to challenge Ethereum's lead, but the project's timing may turn out to be ideal given that the wider crypto market has begun to rely on his release of intriguing updates. Cardano, like the majority of cryptocurrencies, is a highly speculative commodity whose worth is mostly unknown. The Alonso hard fork and the introduction of smart contracts are thought to contain the majority of Cardano's true value. Due to Cardano's market cap, which is in the tens of millions of dollars, the possibility of the project being overpriced suggests a correction to the present market price. Projects like Cardano can profit from volatility because it offers crypto investors entry points to profit from coin prices. For traders who like to play the long game, declining market volatility can provide the ideal setting. At this point, customers must choose whether to purchase more Cardano shares for a lesser cost. A short-term investment in the half-priced ADA coin, for instance, might reduce an investor's average cost per share and boost the performance of the crypto's portfolio once the markets return to normal. Investors in more challenging crypto projects will have the chance to produce great long-term returns by making investments at a time when the market is volatile and has a better valuation. With Cardano, which has a 10x potential input-output Hong Kong, or IOHK for short, the opportunity is more significant. Cardano's research and development company revealed a remarkable network expansion in April. It tweeted about partnerships launchpads, project launches, converter bridges, and stablecoin side chains and feet. Obtaining too much information from the Cardano universe. The most important updates from the last 2 days have been compiled into an organized recap. Moreover, in a video that was produced on April 12th, a day after ADA fell by more than 10%, Hoskinson emphasized the word significant 5 times when stressing the vessel hard fork's importance to the expansion of the broader network. ADA's price did recover after Hoskinson's speech and the IOHK tweets, but it was only temporary. The rebound slowed down. Cardano is about to undergo a significant update that will transform it into a fully functional smart contracts platform. According to Hoskinson Hecla, they have handled non-fungible token sales totaling more than $10 million. The first DeFi-DEX to use Cardano smart contracts, SundaeSwap, is anticipated to go live soon. And a lot of ADA investors view this action as a possible positive catalyst for the alternative coin. Cardano has helped many people on his path thus far become wealthy and advance in society. However, some people weren't as fortunate and lost money as a result of making bad investment choices with Cardano. You can connect your money with Cardano by staking or lending trading the old coin, and above all, investing Cardano trading involves buying the old coin at a relatively low price, holding onto it for a short period of time, and then selling it when the price rises. The prepared investors can learn how past ADA investors lost money with the cryptocurrency and how to avoid such mistakes. In order to make money using Cardano, traders frequently open and close numerous trades throughout the day, making a little profit with each transaction. Contrary to trading, investing calls for purchasing ADA tokens and putting them in a safe, preferably hardware, wallet. Additionally, investors intended to enhance their wealth gradually as the price of the Cardano tokens rises over time, as opposed to active traders who try to profit from minor movements of the tokens. To purchase Cardano and invest, you must, however, have faith in the network's future, and that costs will go up. This point has been repeatedly emphasized by Charles Hoskinson. Cardano is, in general, a fundamentally secure investment. Traditional criteria also classify it as high risk. Our donor uses the proof-of-stake Orbos Parios protocol, which is known to be substantially more resilient than conventional protocols, to promote consensus on the blockchain. With the POS protocol, network users are given a tiny amount of ADA as payment for their participation. Additionally, Cardano will increase its adoption and use, but other favorable circumstances will support its growth. Many individuals are beginning to think at Cardano ADA as a viable investment choice. Prakash Chand is a noteworthy individual who was a founder member of the Worldwide Cryptocurrency Investment Fund as well as the Dr. 7 Feet takes careful risks. Because of his faith in Charles Hoskinson and the goals of the IOHK team, Fund of D7 Ventures bought a sizable stake in Cardano. I adore Charles's approach to business. He has a strong commitment to Cardano. Making the world a better place is a welcome change from listening to Bitcoin speculators talk non-stop about price and profits. Cardano has proven to be a reliable project with genuine utility, according to Sean. This is a factor that, despite the market slump, makes it extremely resilient. The demand for the Cardano ecosystem is what fuels the rise of the ADA coin. Many individuals are also tweeting about Cardano's amazing long-term potential, modest but steady growth, and sufficiency. While one waits for the glacier to trump the competitors, ADA is unquestionably a test of one's convictions. Slowly but surely. Absolutely, it will, a Twitter user wrote. People's issues with Cardano stemmed from the fact that it was a long-term investment. People have realized thanks to this bear market that cryptocurrency has a long way to go, but it will be well worth the wait. What do you think about this post that was made earlier? Let's discuss them below in the comment area. Remember to hit the subscribe and bell buttons as usual.